Exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga upang ang katawan mo ay sumigla. Kasi we are here right now in Albi the Park with Mama and Bambi as well. Look at this, Bambi. Okay, we'll put cord to Bambi so that we control. If we remove this cord, Bambi running far from us with Mama. You can see that Bambi here. Bambi, say ow ow ow, ow ow ow, ow ow, Bambi ow. See, mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga upang katawan natin sumigla. Pawis ka na, Mama. Oh. Look at that, look at that. You see that? Exercise with Bambi, with Bambi.